In our fast-paced, modern world, finding peace and happiness can often feel like an elusive goal. However, ancient wisdom offers timeless strategies to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. One such source of wisdom is Stoicism, a philosophy that teaches us how to cultivate inner peace and happiness regardless of external circumstances. Here are some simple Stoic routines you can incorporate into your daily life to become happier. Number 1. Morning reflection. Start your day with a moment of quiet reflection. Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, began his days by contemplating what might happen and preparing himself mentally for the challenges ahead. By doing this, you set a realistic expectation for the day, reducing the chances of being caught off guard by difficulties. Take a few minutes each morning to sit quietly and think about the day ahead. Ask yourself what tasks you need to accomplish, what interactions you might have, and what challenges could arise. Reflect on how you want to respond to these situations. This practice helps you start the day with clarity and intention, making you more resilient to whatever comes your way. Number 2. Practicing gratitude. Gratitude is a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy. Seneca, another Stoic philosopher, emphasized the importance of appreciating what we have rather than yearning for what we don't. In our pursuit of happiness, we often overlook the abundance already present in our lives. Each day, take a moment to reflect on what you are grateful for. It could be something as simple as a beautiful sunrise, a warm cup of coffee, or the presence of loved ones. Write these things down in a gratitude journal. By focusing on the positive aspects of your life, you shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance, fostering a greater sense of contentment and happiness. Number 3. Voluntary discomfort. The Stoics believed in the value of voluntary discomfort as a means of building resilience and appreciating life's comforts. This practice can take many forms, such as taking cold showers, fasting, or engaging in physical exercise. By intentionally stepping out of your comfort zone, you train yourself to handle adversity better. It also helps you appreciate the comforts you often take for granted. For instance, after a cold shower, you might find yourself more grateful for warm water. These small acts of discomfort can strengthen your mental fortitude and enhance your appreciation for life's simple pleasures. Number 4. Negative visualization. Negative visualization, or premeditatio malorum, involves contemplating the potential losses and misfortunes that could occur. While this might seem pessimistic, it actually serves to build resilience and foster gratitude. Spend a few minutes each day imagining the loss of something or someone you value. Think about how you would cope and what steps you would take to move forward. This practice helps you appreciate what you have in the present moment and prepares you emotionally for potential future hardships. It also reduces the shock and emotional impact if these events do occur, as you've already mentally prepared for them. Number 5. Mindful acceptance. Stoicism teaches the importance of accepting what we cannot control. Epictetus, a former slave and prominent Stoic teacher, advised focusing only on what is within our power and letting go of the rest. Throughout your day, practice mindful acceptance by reminding yourself of what you can and cannot control. When faced with a difficult situation, ask yourself whether it is within your control. If it is, take action. If it isn't, practice letting go and accepting it as it is. This mindset reduces stress and anxiety, allowing you to focus your energy on productive and meaningful actions. Number 6. Evening review. End your day with an evening review, another practice borrowed from Marcus Aurelius. Reflect on your actions, thoughts, and emotions throughout the day. Consider what you did well and where you could improve. Take a few minutes before bed to journal about your day. Ask yourself questions like, what did I do today? How did I handle challenges? What can I do better tomorrow? This reflective practice helps you learn from your experiences, fostering personal growth and continuous improvement. Number 7. Journaling for self-improvement. Journaling is a powerful tool for self-reflection and personal growth, but it can also be used proactively to set goals and track progress. The Stoics kept journals not only to reflect on their days, but also to plan and strive for continuous improvement. Spend a few minutes each day writing in your journal with a focus on self-improvement. Set specific goals, outline steps to achieve them, and track your progress. Reflect on areas where you want to grow and document your strategies for improvement. This proactive approach to journaling helps you stay focused on your long-term goals and maintain a growth mindset. Number 8. Practicing mindfulness. Mindfulness is about being fully present in the moment. The Stoics emphasized the importance of focusing on the present rather than being distracted by past regrets or future anxieties. Practicing mindfulness can help you appreciate the here and now. Take a few minutes each day to engage in a mindfulness exercise. This could be a brief meditation, focusing on your breath, or simply paying full attention to a task at hand, like eating a meal or taking a walk. By grounding yourself in the present moment, you can reduce stress and increase your overall sense of well-being. Number 9. Read or watch Stoic literature. Reading. Stoic literature or watching Stoic informational video can provide you with wisdom and inspiration. The works of Stoic philosophers like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus offer valuable insights into how to live a virtuous and fulfilling life. Set aside some time each day to read a passage from Stoic texts or videos. Reflect on the teachings and consider how you can apply them to your own life. This routine can deepen your understanding of Stoic principles and reinforce your commitment to living by them. Number 10. Practicing kindness. Kindness is a key aspect of Stoic philosophy. The Stoics believed in treating others with compassion and understanding, recognizing that everyone is part of the same human family. Make a conscious effort to practice kindness each day. This could be through small acts like smiling at a stranger, helping a colleague, or simply listening attentively to someone in need. By fostering kindness, you not only improve the lives of others, but also enhance your own sense of connection and happiness. Incorporating these Stoic routines into your daily life can lead to greater happiness and inner peace. By starting your day with reflection, practicing gratitude, embracing voluntary discomfort, visualizing potential losses, accepting what you cannot control, and reviewing your day, you cultivate a resilient and content mindset. Remember, happiness is not about having a perfect life, but about finding tranquility and fulfillment amidst life's imperfections. Embrace these Stoic principles and watch your life transform for the better. Which quote or principle will you start applying? Let us know in the comments below. It's highly appreciated if you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.